Hello, 101.5 FM.
Now what you wait here? Na Chrome ha interesting. In a sense, say, and never see ye. And never see ye no. In a chat. Tia. Say, yes, say, assembly. In Bessamity, the vessel no. A vessel and a court to die. Oh, Tidru maybe a court no a yapa. And maybe be a chatia. Na a year now what she am say Ukwadano. Bachana Bacho Ukwadana. Ah, Ukwadano. And a Supreme Court for and I Yawadamo. Ukwada. And a Supreme Court for a do judgment. A finalizing Bibia by now voices now boy, you know. I'm starting free home. I hear Mr. Aseidu Nketiah. Can't say, court no, I grant you a release near the Nina.
Me part for a precision and accuracy, a Thursday.
Yawada. Okay, yeah, sorry. Oh. Now, voices now by our tea, Mr. Aseidu Nketiah Kano. Our can say, court a grant you a release near the no. Menyini say o share that. Menyini say o share that because so court na see card ya one here what you be say court no aka asem bi enso be kwakodu no a be kwakọ he na nya asem no na court aka na am say Mr. Aseidu Nketiah mo asem bo ko no ba emu bi ni say for example was say omo person court share and as some person court to declare say nipa ekoye voter ID card na so nya voters ID card and a voter registration no nya voter ID card kura emano right bia accrued chese aboabo no anytime be bia ngum bia no otimi ko akoto aba and a court no say granted but subject to the voter ID card issued under CI 126. Into what granted no. And another say, yeah, you know, granted in and it was an impulse decision. To me personally, the meaning say, Mr. Aseidu Nketiah, the share so I be misleading. Matters and Crawford because we was share that because the lawyer is going to agent the chief. Mete a flag bearer for Liberal Party.
Yeah.
So lawyers in John Mubo Mutrinko. Me assure say even the lawyers crowd. Oh, courtroom. Sometimes I did a kind of what here I want it. He said, Trey, when a copy of the judgment, I fain and not sinking in exactly what was said. And the lawyers didn't know, me personally, if he say they genuinely understood the judgment to be that their release had been granted. Sana me feel it. Because about this lawyer near you're training. And this is important. Lawyers, we have ethics. We have ethical code of conduct. You can't intentionally mislead or put forward information that you know to be false. So what does it? What means shada and kasa kwa dada nipa. Information ya ukura no chire se eyentro enti omo no di no personally me feel say na omo ankasa gidi say ya grant omo reliefs no me nyini say lawyer di bia worth his credibility ba gina bontin akwa say we dey entro Aseidu Nketiah de okanyina nim esukoso ne ko me nyini eno de me personally de I'm prepared to give them the benefit of the doubt enti me nia Kofia Palo the menen nya adwene ho on the office say lawyers ni aware say Aseidu Nketiah support kan na entro so no more support no we you but me personally me nyini say any lawyer of any
na lawyer say na we say ken say ebia obi layman point of view as far as law is concerned na what is no say kan no ebia number 2 be a relief 1 granted. So be NC at was so
subject to yeah.
And you know, and yeah, no man for who says Sebi will be a winima can kind biano. I won't shut down your lawyer crano. Oh, kind hona. Ube who say, yes, say, a yampa near walk cannot say, Sinus can say, when your ID card, what you would in that da, or so pen will be to me, and so, name mum, and she say a pa. Yeah, the better about a fee and electoral commission at the court parliament. That parliament I to me a friend CI 126, and no near the bay.
I too. And I'm because say, Ujla courtroom ho. Nasi board numbers granted subject to this, granted subject to this. Now, Pierre Nano. Or here you may be tempted to spend it. Or here I'll be oh, you're winning, granted subject to. I fear I'll be subject to no. No one say why you cry and granted. To me, they still are. I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. Say, oh my shedda. Yes, sir. They were not prudent. They were not prudent because normally, this is what you have to do. So who are caught? Not so free court, especially lawyers. And a good advice not to grant interview straight away. We are co-chambers. Because we offer on our chambers, we do chambers no. Na asem na crystallize we trim. Na wati asem na kasa. Na wa hu na we ya hu we are media friendly. Opa so we are famous. We free quarter na start so kasa. Obo so we no agufu. Enti me sure say that's what happened. Na say ko bu we no. Omo ko back. No mo ko to omboase answer makasa. Mama of 2013. Okay, say election petition no, you conclude here no.
Yeah.
Nanado a free courtroom no. One kasa or call back to the VA. It's your boss or Babe Casado. Na Bibi Obekasado was well informed. So what does he? Na ko we ya na ko jina court then go no start so wa call. On so better to papa so. It's me personal me feel say ya impulse decisions be making no. A third yet to asemu. It's here more benefits with the benefit of hindsight. Me sure say unya Mr. Aseidu Nketiah obe correct it. I know say he was out of coverage area the whole of yesterday and the day before. Yes na munya no metie mu. Smo try na munya no. But say there me sure say from Monday going no obeba abontin. No be correct say oh ebi o take granted no. And na adwiri ye ne say
ye buama wo.
Ye buama no. Nemo no say no. The opeso te ruling na asipa so hwe consequential orders a court no make here no.
And what say?
Okay. Consequential orders as say ruling here ya so susato a monkoye enie.
Okay.
Eti ya kire say any say granted no. So susato enie. Also this week mete enya pani Kwesi Pratt say Supreme Court judgment no was ambiguous. But I'm still not going to call consequential orders no so. Because consequential orders no was clear. Because say me shamo say all interested parties. Because say me shamo say all stakeholders. Mr. Kofi Apalumu, NDC, MPP, Muye, and civil society groups. And Ghanaian eligible voters.
Yeah.
That is very clear.
Yeah.
I don't know say Ghanaian eligible voters. Now Oman can say eligible voters. You see, maybe you have to think. Ghanaian eligible voters. So come on, say all voters, eligible voters. But Supreme Court say ebinu kra voter ID card. How many Ghana for?
Oh, okay.
Ghanaian eligible voters.
Okay.
You see the attention. You see the attention in the detail. Maybe I told Wasi. What the be on back can be an ye. Was it Ghanaian eligible voters? One eligible voters. And you know, say there were some people Supreme Court knows. Say there are some people omukra voters ID card. And so many Ghana for. It was a Ghanaian eligible voters. Emphasis Ghanaian. It is all ukra
card no
per se. Exactly. Thank you. In the midst of the action, or rush quickly to make pronouncement. I feel because some such a kind of Ghanaian eligible voters. Hey, so some of Pache. It means say never who say this gentleman leading IPRAM. Everyone saying
Bernard
Mona, Jim Crawford said they should go with their voters ID card. This guy is going to be cited for contempt. You are urging people to do the wrong thing. That's wrong. You see, you can't urge people to go and to commit an offense. This is what we call aiding and abetting. A wrong. It is a wow. Obetie Bernard Boda asem. Na befa just a voter ID card. You are supposed to be arrested.
Okay.
Because you are committing an offense. The Supreme Court says anybody who goes with the voter ID card and pursuant to CI 126, any electoral officer will be accepted. Sir, voter ID card also committing offense.
And the Abasa, why in the Bema court and Aswat say na?
Well, the EC should now review the people, and the people should be prosecuted because it's an offense against the law. So, beko na wakwakwaya dia emnani mahunkwan. It's anybody who is now contemplating going with the voter ID card of the past is committing an offense. It's imobia anya nadwene. Despite the yodium na kosono. Emrani nya diwa. Ubo se Ghana hamra ha
pa.
I'm telling you. Now, I've seen the commentary. And I'm at a commentary I'm for be making about the Supreme Court judgment. This is also important. It's okay when you are naive. Yeah, it's okay when you are naive, but ignorance is not an excuse.
Yeah.
For you to say things, and now for you, scandalizing the court is an offense. You see, Oko Law School, this judgment certainly will be scrutinized by even law students. And they will be given the leeway, the opportunity to criticize the judgment. Omeka said, look, read this judgment. Tell us what you think. Kacha said, judges wait here. Wait, many way but you are allowed. So now to go to the extent, say, over impugning the integrity of the court. So what I say? Over so just answer.
And also ubu
that is a serious offense. You can be cited for a serious contempt. Normally, let me tell you elsewhere. What happens is they say, the Attorney General is obligated to cite you for contempt. Because court cannot defend itself, cannot talk for itself. So the Attorney General should be protecting the sanctity of the court. It is a who make it commentary and now make statements be not it has potential to impugn or scandalize the court. You can be cited for contempt. And there is the duty of the Attorney General to do that. What can I say? That's what I'm going to
Attorney General, and I said, Obagana, Attorney General, Minister of Justice, and I can say, and I'm say court, and judges are more times, or one cassa entimi, so be can be beat or one cassa entimi, MBE, and no, Nemu, yet a sudie edema Attorney General.
Yes,
sir. One was said, Utimi Bua Court, and into one no, or be a war Kakasan seminar, Attorney General, bet me adding the Pacro, Akoko.
Oversight and content, Medasi. Now, by the way, I say oversight will be content. There be another day. Okay. And I know the and back on the day. Yeah, because you're Jack Hatchet. Who goes good as a Fabro speaking English, not trouble now. Speaking English, speaking. We are there. Oh, you know, Chino, Anna. eti se ka say amafo make commentary they are threatened with danger the danger na edi agro uko bi fi beware of dogs me catch say wa wonim sa asem na be start akeka nsem bi egu court no fi no serious charge potentially betimi
lawyer my enchiremu kakra my education enu akra na ebinom so judgment ba na ebinom ka say ade na court no wa ma watemu awie o sa say court akanyina some kind judicial notice o take judicial notice say sa asem bia say bi go high court ehi o ma ka asem na wie chekere mu e ba na saying
ya wo ayi bia some say do baby na me camera for
they can
no watch me court systems no I say atwede o fro atwede o free baako na akomienu na akomiensa na wo kosro sa de wasro no akasa obia diso
obia wa asie
bia I saw diso especially Supreme Court eti this is Supreme Court to kasa wo court of appeal wo high court wo second court wo ordinary district court I saw diso short as here because mra I say a hierarchy we can say obi adi no kwati
atwede na
it is a Supreme Court nya kasa this is Supreme Court na kasa sesa no
so on se sana dia
on se sana mo wase nyina ese mudi so
na lawyer o sha justice not trans no wo ma dwini mu no o mu hu se asem no maka wi o ma amfa saa o hye na ma ebinom de asem no beka kopi high court ana
say no monati o mo kan newspaper o mo tie news is it scandalize court na e o radio iso a ebinom tie etichina ebezima cite contempt
no correct
so kai muntie
mekai
so kai muntie case
mekai ba
statement some make no was make statement outside court too and so say cite o contempt because nipa tie o so nipa obotia so what I say eti say contempt unyanti contempt asia another story but come back to your question no amount for cases be pending high court too until the court is aware say cases no and Supreme Court anko na wo na you will be a judicial president say obedi asem na sa asem ni bi asida na say court na edi asem no e wo animu sine court a wugina sese a ese court no en e wo animu no asem no ye de be kan wo de e wo hayi emfa sese e ka asem high court high court do high court ara court of appeal e de ka asem high court sese a na se me makonya authority bi I work court of appeal na da shep motom eti ba high court am say hey obi say mapato so na maka check court say sa se mo court of appeal atena so bibi similar something similar so eti court way a show say so diso
if say unia panyin akasa to that's here eti a show so diso judge no ti hodo enim say eye say so diso minua lawyer ni na mne ko eye on so enim say empanyifo na kasa dia so diso unless so betimi distinguish case no masa distinguish we can say say no so betima ebi obetima akire mu say sa asem ya sa authority a wo de be gina so ka minua panyin kan no enne no enya sa enne ne boy bra otimi kase sa asem yi different ese asem na wo kano dia ene obetimi ama but when man fa sa ma opompo so
eso diso the same thing court of appeal for who say Supreme Court akasa how many choice
omo so betie
ebi okro ne Supreme Court nya adwene
enso so
but emran say eso di mpanyifo no asem o maka no so eti case Supreme Court kasa ya omo say ye ne ye mpanyifo ya say ne mra no eti obia wo say ase no
oniso
onkodiso panimu dware wi a na nsu asa
nse akra no lawyer senne obi sore say wo de asem ye hu bi Eko High Court. Ebia Okopen Junction, Cross and Yama Bisenia, Judge and on some cry, and
consequential orders. Omo man cover. What's to say? Something great. I'm saying. What about Timupo? I'm telling you, I are far-reaching. They wanted to shut down everything.
So the Baya, yes, in a bit to me.
Yes, and he almost say, what's to say? Crowd fanquay. A cover. But ever say something, say, I'll say, what they are saying, you qua. Maybe say, Minuachi.
I didn't know you.
Because I know, say,
young different.
No. You see, it's unethical. Lawyer be her, and then maybe her. So who say you are going to waste you are going to waste your client's money. It's all conduct of filing, but you filing for you. So that's here. 2, you know, said the Supreme Court has spoken. Now, your lawyers, your officers of the court.
So, as I would defend the court.
Yes, if you know something is ethically not right, you don't do it.
I see.
But me Kwame Adofo, I will not do it because me feel say we have rules. And every lawyer is obligated to follow the rules. So what do you mean? It's me Kwame Adofo who subsequently banaka say. You first easy in court. Na yanko say easy say. Only who quite so better because now I don't chroma tiana.
Supreme Court akasa.
Supreme Court akasa na so me ko do achinya dan. Wo pese me kokko gumi ni mu ase ana. And I will lawyer and you grab a DH crowd. Just a while now for colleagues grab a through. So what do you say? I want for me to be a watching crowd, you're correct. Because Supreme Court, Casa, and was a consequential orders. So, Obia or Yasin Munis Asemiso.
And then Emrano.
And on Emrano. And you won't mind. Also, your officer of the court.
Yeah.
Now, so your officer of the court, now so court Casa, Usuniso.
And then that's I
no abajina bonti make commentary. So what I say? At the end there, the road is open. Ekwanu mo bie.
Ebinom so kyerɛ sɛ ansa na memo agye wa home no ebinom so kra kyerɛ sɛ ade na ɔma amfa omu nyina so ntia omu si sai gyinaye no antudwa na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ma mmerɛ tenten be tools ɛno kra mmoa
aha na me nti ɔmasi me nti ɔmasi in a sense court na kyerɛ sɛ 1 relief 1 na musiki no dismiss and are granted subject to CI 126. Relief 2 emphasis granted subject to CI 126. Relief 3 ABR dismiss. Now dismiss no the reasons for the decision for what so that you can appeal it. Supreme Court no appeal the best you can do is go for review. Where's 7-0 no go for review at 2 penny ever come home.
Okay, only 2 never come.
Yes. 7-0.
Only 2 can is 9.
9 no. At best, we 7-2. As is sorry. So what I say? It will cry no any so you know so review. No. But of course, obviously, if you don't review for political gains, obi obeko just to make a political statement. So what I say? But at the end of the day though, you ask yourself, at the end of free tap course him. And normally, even a lawyer, I always say, you have to be ethical. Course you shouldn't even take. Oh, share. Now say, wawa, and I say, client. Sometimes you have to decline. Because we are you now, one crofobia, Momochi Mansua, a who need for so. It's me personally, there. Some counselor, me mom contemplating going for appeal. And so far, me feel say, Oma just said they are not going because they say they are urging their supporters to go and I think register. We have to commend them. I say Mabaso. Because the way no council. Now some tested law no. Oh, and I'm as fine because one contest law now. And Katina no business work of all the way. Then the channel business of all the way. Now I my but where the Supreme Court Kasa. I make quick consequential orders. No. He said, no, I have finito.
Asa?
It is a Tuesday. Wow, Uncle Trudino. Wow, would you?
Hello, 101.5 FM.